Today I'm going to show you what $30 a night can get you in Tbilisi, Georgia. So this apartment is where my mom is staying for her 3-week visit out here. So you can book this on AirBNB as well as booking.com. So let me show you around. All right, so we'll start with the kitchen here. And amazing Georgian hospitality. Look at this stuff that our host left for my mother. So she gave her some grapes, a khachapuri, wine, sparkling water, and regular water. So we have a table with 3 chairs as well as a heater, stove, oven, so you can do cooking. Look at this, you've got a double sink, which is nice. A good size refrigerator. Oh, there's actually the 4th chair. I forgot to mention that. And then a furniture chair? I don't know what you would call this. You got nice big windows here. In this closet is extra linen, so extra pillows and blankets and towels. And then this is the bathroom. Got a shower, toilet. Another heater. It is summer now, so my mom won't use the heater, but if you were to stay here in the winter, this would obviously be good. A washing machine, again, in Tbilisi. This is pretty standard, having a washing machine in your apartment or your rental. And then the bedroom. Got a double bed there, or sorry, not a double bed, a queen size bed here with a fantastic mattress, couch. Look at this. She actually has, again, in the US, these welcome. All right, so she has a welcome packet. In the US, a welcome packet for an Airbnb is pretty normal, I would say, but over here, at least in Georgia, we never get this. So this is really nice. She shows different places that you can eat, different numbers. This was really nice. She also provides a metro money. So this is, if you were to take the bus or the metro, you can use this. And then this is for the Mazmenda theme park. So if you were to go on any of the rides up there, she gives you this card as well, which is awesome. Okay, so back to this. You got your closet / dresser here. Let's open it up. And what's nice about this place is that in the winter, so the owners here is a mom and a daughter. I mean, an adult. Daughter, not like a child. So in the winter, one of them will live up here and the other one will live downstairs. And then in the summer, they'll rent this one out, and so they'll live together downstairs in the summer. And I like that because this then feels and is treated like a true home instead of just a rental unit. So, the bed is definitely better than most. The stove is going to work, the oven's going to work, all of that. So I'm really excited about that. Okay, so another heater there. Oh, look at this. I love this in Georgian homes. Look at this chandelier. Woo! Aircon requirement. So you have windows over here. Oh, there we go. And then she even has her own little balcony here. Look at this. And look, there's actually grapes here. This is so cool. Oh, this is so amazing. So yeah, nothing, I mean, it's not, the balcony isn't anything too big, but you know, it's just my mom here, and so this will be perfect for her. And then let me also show you the entrance. So the entrance is it's called an Italian courtyard. So when you're looking at, before I get to that, this is the entryway. Place to put your bag, your shoes. You got an ironing board and a drying rack here. So this is, another heater. Tons of heaters. That is key in Georgia in your apartments. You're going to want more than one heater in your apartment. We learned that the hard way with our current rental. But this is the front. So she has, anyways, this is called an Italian courtyard. So there's, 1, 2, 3 other people that'll live in here in their own areas. So there's one. You got someone that lives right here. And then another person. Another person lives here, but yeah, so this is her entrance. So I am picking her up in about 3 hours. So the next thing you'll see is after she's already been here for a week or two, I will give you my honest opinions on this rental for $30 a night. Okay, so my mom just went back to the U.S. She was here for 3 weeks, and my honest opinion on the apartment that I rented for her was great. The hot water was hot. The aircon was cold. The Wi-Fi was strong. I actually worked there, had some video meetings on her Wi-Fi as well, and it was strong and reliable. So I was very happy with that apartment for her. And also the owner of that one will work directly with you so that you don't have to pay fees, and then she also doesn't get charged on the fees. So that was really nice that we were able to move off. I originally found her on AirBNB, and then when I went to tour it ahead of time, she had said that we could move off Airbnb and just pay her directly, which was fantastic. So another Tbilisi apartment option for you if you come here, $30 a night in the busy season. My mom was there from the end of July to the end of August, so I mean, it won't get any more expensive than that. As always, like the video, leave me a comment, let me know. I've done a lot of these video tours, apartment tours now. Let me know which one is your favorite so far, and the next one will be right here in 3, 2, 1.